You obviously can't have a lucrative e-commerce store without customers, and you can't access a consistent flow of new customers without knowing who your most ideal customers even are. Why? If you know who your ideal customer is, you open the gates to knowing where your customers hang out, how to talk to them, and most importantly, how to draw them in. You must take a moment to define and build your ideal customer. Get to know them. Gaining new customers is vital, but gaining new customers that will keep returning to buy more, now that is our style, and it can be yours too. How? Go after the right customer gains. You can throw ads out there on a general basis of who you think might purchase your product, and you'll probably get some business, here and there. But if you instead put all of your focus into a narrower direction, you'll actually gain more lucrative customers, ones that will stay loyal to your brand. You have to target your ideal customer. Your products will provide a solution to your ideal customer, making it something so important to them. This will start an actual relationship between them and your brand. With a relationship comes loyalty and repeat business. Maybe you have a jewelry line that gives your customer fulfillment of feeling beautiful and special. Maybe you have a men's running shoe line that provides support and pain-free runs. Maybe you sell natural supplements that can help someone live migraine-free, and so on. If you have a product, it can be someone's solution. So figure out whose needs it fills and base your outreach on that specific person. If you're just getting started and don't have any buying patterns of who your current ideal customer is, just start from scratch. I have put together a worksheet guide to help you through. The link is below this video to download it for free. After you complete it, get help finding this ideal customer you've built via LLABUILDER.com. I'll go through the worksheet together with you in another video if you need some help. I'll link that below as well. Otherwise, comment any questions you have below, and I look forward to hearing about your customer gain from doing this worksheet.